I recently purchased this onion slicer from Amazon. This is one of the best-selling products recently, and I really wanted to test it out to see if it really was that great of a product. So this is what it looks like out of the package. This is the War Spot brand. It has this little guard protector on the bottom because those are actually pretty sharp. Okay, I've gone ahead and rinsed my onion. I'm going to use my trusty Wusthof knife. This is an 8-inch Wusthof knife. I love these. This is literally the best brand of knife, so I highly recommend investing in a really good quality knife because you want to be safe with your knife and you don't want it to fall apart while you're slicing. This is actually one solid stainless steel blade attached to handles. Some knives actually come apart right here, so I definitely recommend getting a good quality knife. Okay, so I'm going to do what's called the bridge, and I'm going to put that over, and then I'll be able to put my knife in between. This is a really fresh onion. Okay, I'm going to peel off all of the skin. I'm going to chop off the top there. And then I like to peel off the first layer of the onion. There we go. Okay, now let's try this onion slicer. This is promised to give you perfectly sliced onions without having to like measure. So let's see. I want to not go all the way to the end because I want to have that first slice. What looked cool about this is you can decide how thinly you want to slice, because you could slice between each one or you can skip one and have thicker slices. And then I did see someone else doing like a whole onion and doing onion rings, so I thought that would be cool. Okay, let me reposition a little. I'm just going to go in here, and this actually acts as like a third hand, and it really helps hold down the onion, so that's pretty cool. And look at this, is actually it's holding all of the little onion slices together. Whoops. So that's nice because oftentimes the onion slices will start falling down and then you'll have to gather them up, but this is kind of making it a little easier. Okay. That one came out. That's okay. Now I'm just going to turn it so that I can dice this onion. That's pretty cool. Wow. That was very easy. Oh my gosh, this was such a great little tool. There, especially for someone who isn't very good or at chopping onions or anything. You can use this for meat. You can use it for tomatoes. You can use it for all kinds of things that you would want to slice. So highly recommend.